Now let's see keywords in Python. Okay, like any other language, even Python also has set of keywords. That keywords are nothing but reserved words. You cannot use these keywords for your variable names, function names, or any other identifiers. Okay, what variables, function names, we'll see that later. And keywords are case sensitive. Okay, if you want to know what are the keywords present inside the in Python, you have to import this keyword module and see just keyword.kw list gives you the list of keywords which are present in the Python. For now, I will just remove this one and then let's comment this. I just want to see the list. Okay, see false, true, and as these are all the keywords name. So in case in future if you want to declare like use it as a function name, you can't use them as your function name or anything or variable name. Okay, now let's see the number of keywords present in Python. This is a function which gives you the length. Just if you hover on this, see now it is showing length takes object and then it returns the number of items in a container. So it will just tell you what is the length of this. That means the number of keywords present in Python. So let's execute. There are totally 35 keywords in Python. Next is identifiers. Okay, a Python identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, or class name, module, or any other object. It has to start with this lowercase letter or uppercase or underscore, followed by first letter has to be this one. It has to start with A to Z or this uppercase A to Z or an underscore. After this, you can have any numeric number 0 to 9. You cannot start with 0 to 9 and then have this alphabets. Okay, instead of this, I will just try to, instead of this, let's try to create the identifiers so that it makes more sense. Now, I want to create this identifier. It's a variable ABC. I want to assign a value 12 and then I want to print that ABC. It is printing. It is starting with A, so there is no problem. It is following this rule. Now let's create the identifier with the name starting with underscore. According to this rule, starting with underscore is allowed. So I'll just give underscore 1, 2, 3 is equal to, let's say 5. And then we'll print the value. I'm just executing this cell. Okay, we got the value 5. So this is allowed. And then I'll just add one more code here. Starting with digit 1 and then I'm just giving underscore ABC. This is equal to 6. Again, print this value 1 underscore ABC. As expected, it is saying invalid token because an identifier should not start with the digit. It has to start with the alphabet or underscore. So we saw the underscore and then we started with the 1. In after underscore, you can give the digits anywhere you want, but it should not start with the digit. Okay.